Samsung officially announced that the Galaxy Unpacked 2020 will be held on August 5th. The invites tease the previously leaked bronze renders of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As the event gets closer, we're seeing more and more leaks. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now let's get back to the video. Earlier this week, we saw the device in the flesh for the first time, and now we're seeing a hands-on video from the same source. Now, Jimmy is back with a short hands-on video of the device. The video features the Note 20 Ultra in black, running Samsung One UI version 2.5. It's shown alongside the Galaxy Note 10. Compared to the Galaxy Note 10, the Note 20 Ultra appears to be ever so slightly thicker. The massive camera bump is noticeably thicker. Unsurprisingly, the speaker and S Pen placement on the bottom has been shifted around a bit. Interestingly, the new S Pen fits perfectly inside the Note 10's S Pen slot. Jimmy shows the new S Pen pointer settings that were previously teased. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is rumored to have a massive 6.87-inch WQHD Plus resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 mAh battery, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or the Exynos 990 SoC, and an improved 108-megapixel main sensor with laser autofocus. All will be revealed next month. OnePlus Nord is the upcoming smartphone series from OnePlus, the BBK-owned mobile company. OnePlus has been teasing the upcoming series online recently. The company has now announced that the new smartphone series will be unveiled on July 21st. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau, in the first episode of the 4-part series documentary, said that Nord will be our first product below $500 in recent years. For OnePlus and the whole team, it's a massive challenge. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus Nord and the Galaxy Note 20? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.